Use RepairDesk as the operational repair record and Shopify POS as the till. This walkthrough shows the handoff points that keep the customer, item, price, and payment aligned. At intake, tap New Repair on the POS Smart Grid. Enter the customer's name, phone if useful, and a clear item and repair description. The tile creates a RepairDesk ticket. It does not add a sale to the POS cart. Open the new ticket in RepairDesk. Document condition, add relevant photos, assign the work and keep the real bench status current. Do not put passwords, card details, or unrelated customer information in the ticket. Add the approved labor, parts, and other charges. For a Shopify shop, Send Inverse creates a Shopify draft order for the full quoted total. It does not itself prove that payment was taken. In Shopify POS Pro, open Orders, then Drafts. Set the channel filter to Admin, select the matching customer and repair, and load the draft to the cart. Check the name, repair note, and total before checkout. Continue the repair through Authorized, in Repair, and Quality Check. Ready means the item has passed the shop's checks and can be collected. It should not mean that the customer has already paid. At Pickup, confirm the POS amount against the RepairDesk balance and process the payment in Shopify POS. Give the customer the appropriate receipt. Never key card details into RepairDesk. Shopify payment status does not currently update the RepairDesk ticket automatically. Record the matching payment once in RepairDesk, using the same amount, method, and a useful Shopify receipt or order reference. Finally, confirm the item and recipient, hand over the repair and move the ticket to completed. This sequence keeps the workshop record and the Shopify till record explainable.